In this lesson, we will learn how to install Power BI on Windows 10. So we will install the free Power BI desktop version. Let us start. First, go to the web browser. On Google, type Power BI desktop and press enter. On pressing enter, the official website is visible, that is microsoft.com. Power BI is owned by Microsoft. Click here. After clicking, the official website is visible. Here it's written Power BI desktop for free. To download it, we can either click on download now or advanced download options. When I'll click here, it will take you to the Microsoft Store to download and install. But I'll click the advanced download options. Now here is the download center. Go below. Here the version is visible. I'll click the download button. Before that, you can select the language. If you want in Hindi, you can select this, or you can use any other language. I'll go for the default English and click the download button. The download started. Let's wait. We have downloaded the exe file. Right click and click open to begin the installation. Minimize. The setup started. Here select the language. I'll go for the default English. After that, click next. Click next. Accept the license agreement, and after that click next. Here you need to select where Power BI will get installed. It will get installed in the program files, which is fine. Click next. This will also create a desktop shortcut. Okay, not a problem. Click install. Now Power BI will get installed on our Windows 10 system. Let's wait. We have installed the setup of Power BI. When I'll click finish, it will directly launch because this is by default selected. Or we can also double click on the desktop shortcut. I'll just uncheck this. After that, I'll click finish. And now to open Power BI, you can either go to start and type Power BI. Here it is, click open, or you can double click the desktop shortcut. I'll double click. So now Power BI will open for the first time. Here it is. For a free Power BI tutorial, do refer to the link in the description of the video. We have also added free interview questions and notes. Thank you for watching.